There we go. He should be on there now. Yep. Well, good morning, folks. We're back out here on the Lake of the Ozarks and trying to catch us a little bit of bait. This is going to be a little bit chillier day today than what we've been fishing. Got a nice little break. Oh, bobber's going under right there. Oh, missed him. Took my worm, you sucker. Anyway, wind's out of the east. Got a nice little glare on the water today, but you know what they say, winds out of the east, fish bite the least. Winds out of the west, fish bite the best. So I don't know how much stock I put into that, but either way, we're gonna give it a shot. All right, that didn't take too terribly. Ooh, there's a fish already. Barely even hit the water. A little guy. That'll make one bait. We'll go ahead and keep him. I love these green sunfish. The pretty colors on their gills. We're good on bait. Let's go fishing. We're on. Running at the boat. I didn't even get to say my intro, folks, but I think we've been in the water maybe, oh, I don't know, maybe 2 minutes. Yeah, that's a nice little blue. Yeah, we can just pull this guy into the boat. Easy. Maybe 4 pounds. Back down you go, buddy. Thank you. Got my bait back too. We're getting hit over here on this one too. Got a nice speedboat out there. That's a pretty blue color. Oh, we're getting hit on that outside green rod there. And that guy's gonna do a tight turn right on past us. Hopefully he brings us a Lake of the Ozarks barge bite. Probably not. All right, let's get this guy back out there. Oh, I don't want it to go over that line. I think we're on some active feeding fish. As soon as I turn around, we'll get bit. Oh, this one here. It's a little guy. Feels like anyway. Coming up to the top, it's a blue. I don't think this is the one. Oh, there it is. I don't think that this is the one that hit earlier, but it pulled that rod holder down. The one that hit that was a, oh, there goes another one. Was a big guy. There goes that one. Doubling up maybe. Pop my board. Get this guy in. Might be doubled up here, folks. Yeah, I think we are. He's still there? He's not there anymore. That's all right though. We're gonna go back down through here. That's a good pass. I think we still got our bait even. Yeah, we do. We got slime. He hit on that green sunfish head. I haven't fished this spot in over a month. They're just, in the summertime during the season, there's just too many wake boats out here. And, well, not just wake boats. I don't want to pick on just them, but too many wake boats, too many cruisers, too many speed boats, pleasure boats, whatever you want to call them. There's so many dang waves, and it's such a tight little area that it's not very fun to fish. Not in the summer anyway. Nice little blue, about the same size as the first one. Come on. Oh, there it goes. Pretty pink fin. Back you go. I can't even get turned. They are loaded in here. This is gonna be about the same size as the others. Good problem to have. Man, if I was eating, I'd be in luck. We could have fish fry tonight for Mama. And now that one's getting pecked on. Must have just went through a school of them. Hey, buddy. Thank you. Let's get you back out there. Seems like I can't ever come out here and fish without the possibility of getting copyrighted by somebody that's out working on a dock. All right, let's get our bearings here. I have been out here for approximately 15 minutes and I think I've caught three fish, maybe four. You have to tell me. We're still marking them here. Odds are we're gonna get hit here pretty quick. I got till dark to fish today, and again, we're up here at the Gravois Arm, Lake of the Ozarks, and we're fishing for blues, flatheads, yeah, basically anything that'll bite. Water is about 75 degrees is what we're showing right now. We're fishing 44 foot of water, and there's a nice point out there that comes and drops off, and sometimes they hang out on that point in shallow water, you know, 9 to 15 feet. But I went up there and I side scanned, didn't see anything, but there's a nice little drop off that comes off, and it drops off down into, like I said, 44, 45 foot of water. And as soon as we got down there into that drop off where it started to level out, we got on quite a bit of bait fish and quite a bit of catfish. So if this was any sign for what's to come, I think we'll have plenty of catfish in the boat, and I'd really like to get into a 30, 40, 50 pounder today, which is definitely possible. I've caught them out here before. So nice takedown. I really like these power handles. I need to get them for those other two rods. They just make it so much nicer. Sorry about the wind. I mean, I don't know yet if you guys are having issues with it or not, but when I get back to put this video out, if we're having issues with wind, I'm going to go ahead and get one of them DJI rather, portable microphones with the wind dampener. It should help. Haven't had many issues, but I've only made one video. So I guess I don't really know yet what I'm looking at. Oh, that's a little nicer fish. He hadn't even really started fighting yet. Maybe a tad bigger than the ones that we caught earlier. Not much. Coming to the top, probably a blue. I gotta turn that guy. Well, maybe even a little smaller, just fought harder. And his fins tangled in it. He's a little more yellow than the others. Nice little blue cat. Back you go. Ooh, nice takedown. Pop my board though. Gosh darn it. See if he comes back. I don't think this one on the left has the juice. Stomach's growling. I haven't had anything to eat today. I drank a couple monsters on the way over here. So I'm wired, but man, it doesn't do good on your stomach when you do crap like that. Marking plenty of fish through here. Fish and bait. That was my trouble last time, is I was marking a bunch of fish, but not any bait. The bait makes all the difference. If you can see active fish feeding on shad, it's a very, very good sign that there's good things to come as far as catching fish. I keep talking about this point that I'm coming down off of. This all right here is a point. I used to drag across it like this, but now, as you can see my tracks where the boat's been, I'm just dragging up and down it, and I'm covering that water column and having pretty good luck. So that's what I look for. I'll go to these points and I'll scan and see if there's any fish on them. Whoa, 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 whoa. Get it, big guy. Oh, oh. All right. Come on. Take it, take it, take it, take it. You jerk. Teasing me. Dang it. Snagged on something big down there. Oh. I'm coming up with some weight. I don't know what it is. Doesn't feel like a fish, but it's some weight regardless. Probably a rock or a stick, but I'm not sure. Now it's feeling like a fish. That's probably the weirdest bite I've ever had. One of them. That's crazy. Well, there's a nice little catfish for you guys. It's been a while. It's been slow. We're coming up on a point over here though. A different one. I think we've so we started way over there on the far bank. If you just look all the way down straight ahead, that's where we started. And however long at 0.5 miles an hour it takes you to get from there to here is how long it's been since a bite. But yeah, nice little fish. I'm hoping we can have some better luck over here on this next point. Here's another really weird, maybe a bite. This feels like the last one. They're not fighting at all. If this is a fish, sure has some weight on it. I'll be darned, that's a fish. They're just not fighting very well at all. Oh, how weird. So a couple of fish back to back, and they just aren't fighting worth a darn. I don't know what the deal is. I don't know if they're foul hooked or... No, it's not foul hooked. Just really weird fighting. Don't. Don't do it. Don't do it. Come on, don't do it. Nope. Oh, there we go. Alright, cool. Little blue. Back you go. Oh, getting hit right here. Went through a little school of them. Alright, so I just broke off and I'm going to tie another knot. What I do is I go through the barb side to the back. I take this tag in down to about where the hook starts to bend. I take this and I wrap it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I go 8 times. Then I take this end over here and I run it on the opposite side of the barb, straight up through. Like that. I pull her tight. People have different ways of going about it, but that's mine. Well, this outside rod that had the takedown hooked up actually. We've been here, oh, I don't know, I'd say maybe 8 minutes. And I've already had 3 takedowns, this being my 3rd, and, you know, hooked up with a fish. It's good making that move. Sometimes you just have to. It's not worth sitting there and dragging through fish that aren't wanting to feed. Yeah, about the same as the previous ones. Oh, I got him through the eye. Man, these hooks are notorious for getting them through the eye. I don't like that, but what can you do? Back you go. I'm so glad I made that move. Marking bait, marking fish. Problem is, we're about at the end of this run, and the wind, I want to be back down there, but the wind is going to be brutal. Ooh. Little better fish. Not huge, but he'll do. Get the boat, bub. You don't act like a psychopath. Getting hit right here. Yes, sir. Nice fish. He's probably 8 to 10 pounds. Thank you, buddy. Well, folks, it's been a decent day of fishing. Caught I don't know, enough to make a mess. And trolling motor battery is dead. GoPros are, all of them are dead but one. We're getting hit right here. Can I catch a fish as I'm pulling everything in or no? But I think it's time to go home to mama, see what the kids are up to. Been out here all day. We've had some pretty good luck starting out, and then it got slow on us, and then it picked up here towards the end again. I've used this bait all day. All day. Look at those catfish teeth marks right here. That right there has caught me 2 fish, I think, or 3 maybe. But it's time. Mama's gonna have dinner, hopefully, and little man's gonna be ready to see me, and little miss is gonna want to be held. I've got a 3-month-old daughter. I've got a 2.5-year-old son. I've got a 10-year-old son, and I've got a 12-year-old daughter. Oh, such a pretty sunset. One of these days I'm going to come out here at night. I've just ordered some lights for my boat. Got some LED strip navigation lights. Got some interior lights so I can see what I'm doing. I got a brand new anchor light coming, and I am excited for it. I love catfishing at night. I love catfishing any time of day, but at night especially. I might take you guys crappie fishing one of these days. The bite, I've heard the bite's pretty good right now, which it usually is in the fall. It's when you can catch the big ones. Big old slab donkeys. All right, that'll do it for all the rods. Sure do appreciate y'all watching. Come back and see me. Oh, that one busted its butt. What, I can't go fishing?